In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the problem of shopping links and ad links that do not open when you click on them in your Chrome browser. Welcome to Ask William. For a while now, I've been trying to open shopping links as well as ads displayed by Google, just to be redirected to the Google homepage in a new window. At first, I thought it might be something that Google had to sort out with Google AdSense, because clicking on the same site without ads works fine. This is what I mean. Say you do a search for a shopping site. At the top of the results is the ad version of the site. Just below it is the normal version. If I click on the ad version, I do not get redirected to the shopping site, but rather back to Google's search page. If I go back and click on the normal version of the site, it takes me directly to the website. I found the same works with shopping links. Say for instance, I want to buy a car radio from a merchant. I get greeted with many options from many vendors, but none of them takes me to the merchant's site. Not taking no for an answer, I went troubleshooting, and this is the fix I came up with. Go to your Chrome browser and click on the three little dots at the top right of the screen. Under the drop-down menu, go to Settings. Under Settings, click on the Extensions section. Skip Direct is the extension that is causing all the problems. In the Skip Direct box, toggle the on switch to off. Close your browser and reopen it again. All the previous links that did not work before should now open correctly. If this video helped you, or you have any other Chrome related issues, let me know in the comments below. Please give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel to see more content like this. From me, William, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.